As we continue on, this would be, I think it's question 6 as an example. Again, notice how again it says factor completely. Again, one of the first things it looks like is there's a common factor with all three terms. So again, the GCF seems to be the most logical way of doing this. So I'm going to just rewrite the 4x cubed, the negative 28x squared, and the negative 12x. And I'm going to put a box around them. I'm going to partition it there. So what I'm looking for is a common factor between these three terms. It looks like a 4 could actually go in all of them. So I know 4 goes in itself one time. What's 28 divided by 4 if I turn that on here? So 28 divided by 4, that's going to be, oops, got ahead of myself, would be 7. 12 divided by 4 would be 3. So notice that 4 is in common with all three terms. So I'm going to factor out a 4. And then if we look at the x's, this has 3x's, this has 2x's, this has 1x. So it looks like the most x's they have in common would be 1x. So that's going to be my first factor is the 4x. Now up here, I'm going to write my second factor. And again, I'm going to use multiplication and figure out what times 4x is 4x cubed. What am I missing? Looks like if we pulled out an x, we still need 2 more x's here. So 4x times x squared does give me 4x cubed. Now here, notice how if we take a 4 out, that left us a 7, but we also have a negative there, so negative 7. So negative 7 times 4 is going to give you this negative 28. But if we have an x out here, how many x's do we still need? Looks like we still need one more x. So does 4x times negative 7x give me this negative 28x squared? Yeah. Then I move to the next term. So if we took the 4 out, notice how there's going to be this 3 left. But to get a negative 12, we're going to need a negative 3. So does negative 3 times 4x give me negative 12x? Yeah. So all we need there is a negative 3 because we took the x out in front, so we don't need any more x's because it's out here now. So what we have then is the 4x is one of our factors. And then this x squared minus the 7x minus this 3 becomes the other factor. So that would be the factorization of that trinomial.